Hey everybody, and welcome to the Weekly Fix. As always, I am Neil. This week, Suzuki new Katana has been released. There's a 3D printed electric motorcycle. Triumph Bonneville Icon Tour has been announced, and you can now get your own personalized bell helmet. Hey, and if it's your first time watching, of course, all we do is talk about all things gas-powered, power sports, water, dirt, whatever it can be. And also, please give us a thumbs up down below so we can keep making these videos because we appreciate everybody watching. All right, so Suzuki has fulfilled that prototype they showed us a couple of years ago. So for 2020 in the US, the Katana is coming. So if you made it to Long Beach show, IMS last weekend, they revealed it with a martial arts expert cutting through the cloth to let the bike out. Right next to it though, pretty neat, is they had the original OG version from 1982. So you could really see the differences, which I think we'll have the pictures up so you can check it out yourself. Only little bits of fact we know on this thing is, looks like a 999cc motor. So inline 4, which is based off the R1, and looks like about 150 horsepower, but I gotta believe this thing is gonna be loaded with electronics, LED lighting, and everything else. So check out the pics, let us know what you think. Pretty excited about this bike. I mean, as far as it goes, it's about as iconic as the Ninja. So good job, Suzuki, and we'll see you in about a year. All right, so Bell Helmet is leading the way once again in getting you a very slick custom helmet and kind of keeping on the retro end. So they partnered with a company called HELMADE, which is very clever. And here's how this is gonna work, is they'll have it online. You're gonna submit the style, color, format that you like, and then it will actually get submitted to them and they will hand paint it for you. So know this though, there's only 4 helmets it's gonna be with. The Star MIPS race helmet, so for full face, of course, you know, sport bike style. The Custom 500 open face, for all you guys with sweet facial hair like me. The Moto 3 Dual Sport, more of your scrambler style, and then the iconic Bullet, which I have. So it's kind of cool. Starting at about 300 bucks, can go to whatever. They did like an all-in one and you'd be like at about $1,500. But to have a helmet made just for you, I think I'd do it too.
Let the action begin.
All right, well, Triumph is once again going to do a iconic tour, as they're calling it, this time Bonnie Icons. So 12/4, which is coming up quick, they're going to unveil the new Speed Twin, which there's been a lot of buzz about this, so excited to see it. Keep in mind though, this is not a demo. This is simply a big event with them, red carpet, food, all kinds of cool stuff going on. Really do get everyone excited, get you into the 2019 lineup. So a couple of things you can check out. Scrambler 1200, that's the new bike I'm anxious to check out. XC and XE model. Street Scrambler, Street Twin, the Bonnie T12 Ace, and the Bonnie T12 Diamond are gonna be there. So lots of Triumph going on, but again, if you can make it, check out the map below, see if you can get to the city. Should be a great time. So you got to be familiar now by a 3D printer. They can do everything. You've seen in the sci-fi movies, they're making weapons, they're doing all of it. Well, in the real world here, from a company called Nera, I believe it's out of Germany, they actually did a 3D print electric motorcycle. So 15 pieces, and they actually made a functioning motorcycle. It's kind of hard to see in the photos, and you can check it out yourself. Let us know what you think about it. But there is actual motor in the rear wheel, but those tires, wheels, body, everything was printed. So I don't know if I would ride that thing, especially me. I'd probably break it in half. But anyways, kind of cool. Check it out. Is that going to be the way the future is going? I kind of hope not, because I like frames and I like motors, but we'll see what goes on. Okay, so just a reminder, we are doing our 2nd annual toy drive. So Toys for Tots right here. Last year we filled 2 of these things. So hoping you can either join us on our coffee and cruise ride December 2nd, or you guys can come out anytime, drop them off right there by the receptionist, and give someone a toy for, you know, the less unfortunate. But no matter what, you show up on the 2nd, I'll give you a taco for bringing a toy. All right, so while you're recovering from that fantastic turkey dinner, enjoy this very special Thanksgiving clip of the week. Oh.